Elliot. Ooh, look at that chalk. Oh, that's a rock. You wanna draw a fishy? Okay. Where's the chalk? Let me see. Can I have that?
Here.
Ready? Fishy. Ooh, elephant. Okay. Ready? Elephant. Uh-oh. You're gonna get wet. What color is that water? Blue. Huh. Do you want color? Oh, Auntie. Uh-oh, Auntie's here. Here. Uh-huh. Are you gonna get Auntie kisses? No. Auntie's over there. See Auntie? Is that Auntie? Gonna give her big kisses? Where did she go?
Where's my big smile right away? My goodness. Did you have fun in your first birthday party?
Yes.
You see lots of girls?
Girls,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh, somebody likes water.
Oh, very much.
Somebody likes water.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What's up with that? So cute. Did he jump in the jumper?
Yeah, he was like, oh, yeah, he was a little shy.
Oh, he was
Like, yeah, he's not
shy.
used to other people.
Oh, really? I would think he wasn't shy because he sees us all the time.
Yeah, but it's, yeah,
He doesn't
when
know.
people.
Yeah.
New people, yeah.
Plus kids too. It's like
So
he
kinda
sees all adults.
intimidating.
Oh.
Yeah. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, somebody's
Oh, get wet.
wet.
Oh
You
no.
wet head?
Somebody's wet. Mama.
Hi. Oh, thank you. You're gonna wash my
Somebody's
foot too.
wet.
It's cold.
Elliot.
Oh my God, it's freezing.
Mama. Oh, Mama.
Dada.
Where's Dada? Elliot, where's Dada? Where's Dada?
Hey.
Hi, Dada. Oh, my goodness. Oy. So good. Mama. Mama. Oh.
Dada.
Somebody's a smart boy over here.
Yeah.
He's so cute. Elliot. Oop, oop. What's that, water? Yeah.
Ooh.
I love it. It's amazing.
Yeah.
There you go. I can teach him you can water the plants now. Oh my goodness. Where's Gabby again?
She left again.
Bye, Elliot.
Hi.
Bye, Elliot. Bye.
Hang on. Ooh, look at that color. That's green. Yay! Splash, splash, splash. Woo, woo, woo. Whoa. Water the grass. Uh-huh. Oh, green. Oh, are you gonna use a spoon? Thank you. Woohoo! I know, what's that? That's the grass. That's grass.